Hello everyone, my name is Urmila Bao. Before we go to our main point, I want to ask you guys a simple questions. Do you ever take any traditional medicines such as jamu or any supplements? If yes, it is safe for you to take it. Through the webinar I have joined, the speaker says that we should look at the contents of the traditional medicine or the supplements, and we should check whether it has been registered or not. If yes, then we can take it. But if it's not registered, we are advised not to take it for the sake of our health in the future. Alright, let's move on to our main points here. What is medications? Medications is a drug that cure us from any disease that we have. For example, if we have a fever, we should take a tablet of paracetamol, as known as a Panadol, to cure the symptoms, and also preventive medicines for future that does not treat current symptoms. How does medications work? Basically, it works in two ways. First, by oral. Oral is we taking the tablets, capsule, as well as syrups, and injection is those that injected in our body. If you guys can see here, this is how the medication works. First, L, liberations, the release of the drugs from its forms, and A, absorptions, the movement of drugs from the site of administration to the blood circulations. D, distributions, the process by which drugs diffuse or is transferred from intravascular space to extravascular space or to our body tissues. M, metabolism, the chemical transformation of drugs into compounds which are easier to eliminate. And last, E, extraction, the elimination of unchanged drug from our body. Next, pharmaceutical in Malaysia. So, pharmaceutical in Malaysia can be categorized into three. First, manufacturing such as Duo Pharma, which manufacture the product that will distribute to consumer. Second, importations. In terms of importation, we have Pfizer, Sanofi, and Bayer. These big companies import their medicine to Malaysia to be distributed to consumer. And last, distribution. These companies such as DKSH and Zuling Pharma distribute the product or medicine from the manufacturer, for example, the pharma company, to the consumers. Do you guys know there are three principles in pharmaceutical? Any pharmaceutical company needs to follow this principle 100%. First is quality, which is the quality of the product. They need to produce high quality of product. If the company has small issue of the quality of their product, then it can be shut down. Number two is safety. The company need to inform what is potential effect of or side effect of their medicine or product that they produce. Next, efficiency. Product or medicine should be able to do what is intended to do. Alright, here you can see the manufacturing flow. This is flow to produce solid dose, which are capsules and tablets. Here we can imagine to make a medicine is similar when we make a cake at home. In pharmaceutical, we also have a recipes or formulas. We need to follow this formula 100%. First, we have dispensing. Dispensing is where we put all of our raw material or powder. Then granulations. Granulation, where we increase the particle size of the powder. Here we put water on it. After this wet process, we will go to drying. Drying actually to eliminate or to remove water that is inside the product. After drying, we have milling. Milling is process to reduce the product size. Then final blending. Final blending is where we blend all or everything together. Next is compressing. This is where we produce tablets or capsule. The powder is compressed to produce the product or tablets. The next process is coating. Coating is where we coat the product. Here we spray the tablets or capsule for several purposes. After coating, it will go to primary pack. Primary pack is when the product is putting inside the packaging. So here the tablets or the capsules are inside the aluminiums or plastic packaging. The second pack is where we put those products into box. Last process is tertiary pack. Tertiary pack is when we put those boxes into box that we will ship. Actually, there's a lot of knowledge and info that I got from this webinar, but here I have shared only a few of it. I hope you gain knowledge through this video. That's all from me. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.